In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ask a question on Reddit. Reddit is a huge collection of communities, and each one is focused on a specific topic or interest. Because of that, the key to getting good answers is not just typing your question anywhere, but finding the right place for it and posting it correctly. I'll walk you through the whole process, step by step, so you feel confident the next time you want to ask something. First, you'll want to open Reddit in your browser or the Reddit app and make sure you're logged into your account. You can browse Reddit without an account, but you'll need one to create a post. If you don't have an account yet, take a minute to sign up. It's quick and completely free. Next, you need to search for the right community. On Reddit, communities are called subreddits. At the top of the page or app, you'll see a search bar. Click or tap on it and type in a keyword related to your question. For example, if you just have a general, open-ended question for lots of people, you might search for Ask Reddit, which is a popular subreddit where users ask all kinds of questions to the entire Reddit community. Once you see a community that looks right, click into it. Before you post, take a moment to look around. Skim a few of the top posts to get a feel for the style and tone, and then look for the community rules, usually listed on the right side on desktop or under an About or Rules section in the app. This is important because every subreddit has its own guidelines for what you can and can't post. Following those rules will help make sure your question isn't removed. Now you're ready to create your post. In most subreddits, you'll see a button that says something like Create Post or Ask a Question. Click or tap that. You'll be asked to add a title and usually a body text section. In the title, clearly state your question in a short, direct way. In the body, you can add any extra details or context that will help people give better answers. When you're done, quickly double check your spelling, make sure your question is clear, and that it fits the community's rules. Then hit post. Your question is now live, and other Reddit users can see it, respond, and start a discussion with you.